Chinese Foreign Minister Wang has talked about the certainties of China's self-development and its policies towards the United States. And Wang was meeting with members of the National Committee on U.S China Relations, the U.S China Business Council, and U.S Chamber of Commerce in New York on Monday. Wang said the world is facing many uncertainties amid the COVID-19 pandemic and geopolitical conflicts. He said China-U.S. ties are at a historic low, but 5 things are certain. Wang highlighted that China will maintain its policies on the United States, which feature mutual respect, peaceful coexistence, and win-win cooperation. He said China is willing to deepen economic and trade cooperation with the U.S. Wang also stressed the importance of adhering to One China principle. Representatives from the U.S. side affirmed Wang's statements and vowed to work together to improve relations.